Eggnog. Let's talk about eggnog. This is one of those things that you either love or you hate about the holidays. If someone came up to you and said, I have this lovely sweet drink that's made with blended eggs, would you drink that? No, probably not. Are you for the nog? Are you not, or are you nog?
I'm nog. I have to have, at least a cup or two.
I love the way eggnog tastes, but you drink it, I'm full and I'm bloated and it's horrible. So I could kind of take it or leave it. I guess I'm nog-gnostic, but no matter whether you really love eggnog or you can't stand it, sooner or later in the holidays, it's going to end up in your house. Somebody's going to have a cup of it, and if you're unlucky, they get a little overnogged and they spill it in your carpet. All that milk and eggs and sugar, and it gets sticky and it's horrible. So a couple quick tips on cleaning up eggnog if someone happens to nog your carpet is you want a spot cleaner that's got enzymes in it. That's the enzymes we've talked about before. It helps break down the milk and all the protein in the spill. Now, our version of that is BioStain and Odor Remover. You can get it on samsclub.com and homedepot.com. But whoever you're looking for, you want one with the enzyme action in it. Now, that's if you have it wet. If you happen to let that eggnog dry in your carpet.
So, in other words, you've had alcohol in that eggnog.
And you maybe forgot about it till the next morning.
It's until the next morning that you discover this.
A little too much nog in your egg. If you let it dry, you've got a horrible mess because it's sticky, it's hard. Get a cloth rag, soak it with as hot a water as you can stand. Don't burn yourself, but really hot water. Put that on the stain and let it soak. What's going to happen is the steam is going to soften up that stain, and you're going to be able to work with it. Once it's softened up, 5 or 10 minutes, hit it with that enzyme carpet cleaner. You should be denogged and good to go.
Let's say you have hardwood floors and it dries. I mean, it would be an easy cleanup if it's wet, but what if it dries?
Hardwood floor, you wipe it up, it's no big deal. If it dries, it's a little bit different. You probably don't want to do the steam treatment on real hardwood. Maybe on the Pergo type or the vinyl plank that's popular now, that's okay. But on the real hardwood, you want to get an oil soap type product. Soak that stain directly in the oil soap, 5 or 10 minutes, then use a dull plastic scraper to scrape up the stain, not damaging your floors. Get the stain off, polish it out with a cloth rag, and you should be denogged and good to go.
Thanks for watching this episode of the OdoShow on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time, so until next time, make life fresh.